In order to overcome the current rift over the parliament oath, Aung San Suu Kyi's National League for Democracy or NLD and the government under President Thein Sein could try ways to compromise. The NLD refused to show up when the Myanmar parliament convened on Monday, the first time since the April the 1st by-elections, because the authorities would not let them say that they would respect the military-sponsored 2008 charter instead of vowing to safeguard it in the swearing-in ceremony. During its campaign, the NLD promised voters that it would work hard to amend the constitution, even though the party knows very well that its 43 seats in parliament will never be enough to rewrite the charter. The only way for the NLD to make changes would be to seek cooperation from the ruling Union Solidarity and Development Party and other members in the chambers. However, the NLD might find it difficult to get much cooperation until it changes its political strategy. Intellectually speaking, the NLD has raised a good point. The military-sponsored constitution should not be safeguarded. In fact, it should not be respected either. Actually, Myanmar citizens should be given the right to create their ideal constitution themselves without any military domination. In reality, the military has run Myanmar for about half a century. Like it or not, the current constitution was written by military and is still being enforced. Whether NLD would protect or respect, it is still there. Every constitution, once it is written, needs to be safeguarded, though it is silly to think that a safeguarded charter cannot be amended. After all, each and every president of the United States swears to protect the American Constitution, yet this very charter gets amended occasionally. If the NLD refuses to budge where safeguarding the charter is concerned, then perhaps President Thein Sein could come up with some other alternatives to resolve the situation. Maybe he could do what the British have done and let the NLD come up with its own version of the oath. In 2010, Northern Ireland Sinn Féin MPs who refused to take the oath of allegiance to Queen Elizabeth II were allowed to come up with their own version before taking their rightful seats in Parliament. In fact, a truly democratic country should allow members of the Parliament to swear allegiance according to their own ideologies. It is very undemocratic to force purely secular members to repeat some religious words or force Republicans to swear allegiance to a monarchy. Supalak Kanchana Kundi, The Nation Analysis.